The 2K dual dash camera offers impressive video quality with Ultra HD 2K resolution for the front and Full HD 1080 pixels for the rear, ensuring clearer details such as road signs and license plates. Equipped with a wide-angle front and rear camera, this dashcam covers up to 336 degrees, allowing you to capture distortion-free images across multiple lanes without any blind spots. With advanced night vision technology, including a large aperture and HDR, the camera delivers exceptional clarity and color accuracy in low-light conditions, making it ideal for rideshare drivers. The dash camera supports seamless loop recording, automatically overwriting older videos while preserving locked footage to ensure continuous video evidence protection. An enhanced G-sensor optimizes sensitivity to automatically detect and save footage of emergency situations, providing reliable evidence in the event of a collision. Designed with a stylish metal finish and a user-friendly interface on a 3.2-inch screen, the camera is both fashionable and functional, offering easy installation and operation.